Good morning everyone and happy Vlogmas day 6. I am currently getting ready for the day, doing my skincare. I had the best breakfast this morning and of course the best coffee. So started off great. Today's video is so exciting. I hope you guys have been liking Vlogmas so far and all of the content that I'm making for y'all. Today I am going to be redoing my room for Christmas. So this is gonna be a whole winter room transformation. I ordered some new sheets, a new comforter. I got some decor the other day, which you guys saw, and we are finally going to make my room feel like winter. Yesterday I was thinking about how sad it is that once December hits, there's only 25 days and then Christmas is over. And I feel like everybody this year has started decorating fairly early. Like before Thanksgiving, people were decorating. I definitely think that number is higher than it's ever been in any of the years that I've done Vlogmas or just decorated in general. Also, side note, if you're not ice rolling, what are you doing? This is gonna change your whole skincare game. All right, we are festive up in this household. I've got my little Santa hat on, my Christmas merch from like a year or two ago. I think it was maybe last year. But we are going to get this show on the road. Guys, I'm literally so excited right now. This is about to be good. Currently, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my room. For anybody new who hasn't seen my videos, this is what the room currently looks like. So we've got a clothing rack here, lots of fall decor, my little vanity area. This is my bed. My nightstands are actually getting shipped in today. So I'm gonna put that on each side, but I think it's gonna come in around like 6 o'clock. So we're gonna be decorating those. That's gonna be new. Excuse my pillow. My eye mask literally bled through the pillow. That is basically the whole room. So you saw me get Christmas decorations. You also saw me decorate the house for Christmas. I think that was in yesterday's Vlogmas. And today we're getting the room transformation. Let's go get the stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Let's do a run through of the decor coming into the room, and then we're gonna strip all the bedding off, put in the new ones that I washed this morning. I put in my Diva detergent and it smells amazing. And then we're gonna go through the clothing rack, change everything, all that stuff. First, we've got this little pillow. It says Mary. This is from Michael's. Then I've got this red little crochet blanket. It's so cozy and soft, and this is from Target. Then I got this little sign. It says Noel, and it's very like retro and cute. Then I've got my little Swedish gnome. How freaking cute is this little guy? And then 2 more decorations. We've got this little reindeer, so cute, and then this Christmas peppermint tree. So that is all the new decoration that I have right now. I'm probably gonna keep on adding as it gets closer and closer to Christmas, but just had to show you guys. I'm gonna take off all the bedding and then let's put the new one on. This is a all white comforter. I really just wanted white during the holiday season because my pillow and the blankets are gonna be accent colors. But these are the sheets that I got. These are also from Wayfair and they're so beautiful. They're like blue dainty flowers. So cute these little pillowcases are. I love this little ruffle on the ends. It just makes it so much better. Y'all, this comforter feels like a marshmallow. I'm not even kidding. It is so cozy. Blankets, we've got this little red one. I think it should be big enough. I've got a king size bed and sometimes like comforters and blankets aren't big enough, which is so frustrating, but definitely gonna put my Barefoot Dreams one. white big pillows. These are from HomeGoods and they were really inexpensive and they're great for like the backing of your whole pillows.
Clothing rack was very browns, oranges, creams, all that stuff. Now we're trying to do green, blue, red, white, all the colors basically. I got this sweater from a thrift shop actually. This screams Christmas. Of course, the merch has got to go on here as well. Now for the decor. I'm trying to decide what I want on my nightstands and what I want on my little vanity area. I don't know. Let's experiment. I think I'm gonna take this vase out because it's not very Christmassy, but it's perfect for spring and summer. Christmas tree and deer. Okay, I can't tell if I like this. Candle in the corner, Noel sign, jewelry box, and then these two pieces of decor. Yeah, I think I like that because I want to put this little dish and then the bubble candle and then my gnome on my nightstands. Okay, so I brought this tree from upstairs and I think I actually want it in front of the candle. We'll do it like this. And then a little candle action. I am already obsessed. I don't know actually if I like the color schemes. I feel like there's a lot going on here. But I do need to put some shoes down there, so let's do that. For shoes, we're definitely doing these white combat boots. And then I also want to put my Uggs downstairs. I feel like Uggs scream winter. I also brought down this little bubble puffer bag. This is from Shein, and it is absolutely adorable. Low-key want to hang it on here. Does that look weird or silly? I have no idea. All right, I just thinned it out. I think I like this a lot better now. And I added some earmuffs to my little bag. I wore these to class the other day and got so many compliments on them. And I definitely have a feeling that these are gonna be back in style this season. As for the rest of my room, I'm looking around and I think I just need the nightstands to finally arrive and make the whole room feel complete. I've got all this stuff on the ground that I need to pick up, but it's gonna be so nice not reaching onto the floor to grab my phone, a glass of water, or anything like that. Now onto this large shelf from IKEA. There's some things that I'm gonna keep and then some things that I'm gonna change. For the majority, I'm just gonna be adding pieces. So I definitely wanna have one of these shelves all to itself. All right, here's what I ended up going with. I put this sign up there. I had it upstairs and then I decided, no, I don't really like it hung up on a wall. I'd rather have it standing up somewhere. Kept my perfume, that's all the same. Switched out my Yeti mic, a ball of yarn, kept my books, switched out this, put a Santa hat, added some mittens next to my bubble candles, and then my little Drew picture frame, my 2 stuffed animals. I am so tired. I'm gonna go take a power nap, and by the time I wake up, my nightstand should be here. You guys, this is what the nightstands look like. Drew's mom custom made them. She's a phenomenal furniture maker and she's just so good with wood. So I sent her a picture of inspiration that I really wanted and she executed it flawlessly. Yeah, so there's this little space. As of now, I don't really have anything under there. I might move those little stuffed animals over here. But on the top, we have this little journal. My mom gave me this and it says, make your bed. And it's a daily journal that begins actually in January. So very excited to start this on January 1st. Then I've got my Swedish little gnome, my deep sleep pillow spray. Cannot go to sleep without this, I swear. And then of course my little lamp. This lamp is from HomeGoods, by the way. Then for my shelf, I did do a lot of rearranging. Oh wait, let me move this down here. So bottom shelf, I've got my 2 stuffed animals from Drew. Next, we've got my gloves and then some perfumes and white bubble candles. Then I've got lots of books and my perfume, more books, even more, and then more. And then we've got the Always Fresh gingerbread bakery sign. Then up in this little window, I've got 2 Louis Vuitton boxes. Before my sister and I were born, my mom got a lot of Louis Vuitton bags just for us to give sporadically once we're adults. And so I was very surprised. She gave me a really cute bracelet that she got before we were born. Then in this window, I moved the Noel sign. I think it looks much, much better up here. And then let me go over here and show you the other nightstand. So this is the other nightstand. It's exactly identical. On the bottom, I've got my astronomy textbook from when I was at my Christian private school. It was really aesthetic, so obviously I had to bring it to the new house. Then we've got 2 Louis Vuitton boxes, and then on top I've got my little cute dish, my bubble candle, and then of course the lamp. And then in this little square, I've got a Santa hat and then a picture of Drew driving in my car. Y'all already saw the clothing rack, but I really like these pieces and I know that I'm going to be gravitating towards them, grabbing them throughout December. So in this corner, we've got my microphone, my little Candy King Christmas tree, then my jewelry box, and then in this corner, the little Christmas tree from Michael's and my volcano candle. Live, laugh, love, chlorophyll water. I'm going to wrap a gift for my mom. I'm gonna blur it out, but basically this is the size of it. And I got an all white wrapping paper. I don't know. I was gonna do an all cardboard color wrapping paper, but I kind of really like the white look. This is probably the worst wrapping job that I've ever done. Definitely need to measure better next time because this is really pathetic. A gift is a gift and I think my mom will like it regardless if it looks good or not. And we can just turn it on the pretty side so she doesn't have to see this one. I got these little gift tags from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna write to TT from Caroline. And this will be the first present under the tree, which is crazy. So excited. Pew. Tag is written. Let's stick it on the present. Bada bing. Just like that, we're done.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making a mess.